Hi, I'm Jane. There is nothing more I love than crafting. I'm going to show you how a few simple stitches can breathe new life into your favourite knitwear that might be in need of some TLC. I've taken inspiration from the lovely apple blossoms in the Pink Lady orchards, so gather your tools and follow along. Today I'm going to show you how to do some really beautiful embroidery over these little holes that you might get with old jumpers. I have gone for this lilac. I like to pull about an arm's length. Thread that through your needle. We're now going to take our apple and you're going to place it underneath your little hole. Tie a knot at the end of your thread, and I like to tie a double knot. Put your needle into your jumper about 5 millimeters away from your hole. We're going to be making a star sign, and I want you to do your first stitch across the hole. So we're going to take our thread from that side and we're going to put the needle in to the left of the hole, and I'm going to come out there. I'm going to go back to the middle and I'm going to come out over there at an angle. I'm going to go back to the middle, I'm going to come out over there. And now I'm going to go back to the middle, I'm going to come out over there. And you can see that each time I'm pulling the needle through, I'm not pulling it too tight like that it starts to scrunch everything up. So you just want to keep everything nice and flat over the apple. It doesn't need to be stretched or tight. All we're going to do is we're just going to weave in and out of our little star stems that we created. So we go over that one and we're going to come under that one and pull. And we're always going to work in that pattern over and under. So we're going to go over that stem, but under that one there. And you're going to keep going until there's no more star stems left. It's just over and under all the way. And that's probably where I'm going to finish off. So take your needle and put it to the back of your jumper. And now we're going to tie a knot and we're going to end our flower. So the leaves are just made up of simple running stitches, which are just straight stitches, and we get the shape by making some stitches longer and shorter. Pull that out where you'd like to start stitching your leaf. My needle's going to go in about 0.5 millimeter, and it's going to come back out right next to where the thread came out. And I'm going to make another one just a little bit shorter, always coming out right next to your previous stitch. Okay, so that's my first leaf. So I'm going to follow the same principle and just make long and short stitches to make my leaves. Take out your apple, and then we're going to create our final knot and pull that tight. And there you have it. So that's your completed embroidery flower that's covered your hole that you had. But remember, you can also cover stains, not just holes. Or you might just want to embellish a jumper and just add your own personal touch to it.